Hi, this is Gloria Stickney with So Fabulous Incorporated in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And I would like to introduce to you our Square in a Square So Fabulous Blooming Bouquet quilt. We've created this with the Square in a Square ruler that has been designed by Jody Barrows. And this quilt contains 18 blocks using option 17 to be able to have a beautifully coordinated multicolor quilt pattern. It includes an accent border and your coordinating binding, set-in triangles, and sashing. The quilt pattern is Square in a Square So Fabulous Blooming Bouquet quilt, and it is 6 pages of beautiful photos with lots of detailed instructions to be able to help you to create your blocks precisely and quickly. We've also created, to go along with our quilt pattern, we have our Blooming Bouquet quilt kit. And our kit has 18 blocks that are pre-cut. And by pre-cut means that we have already coordinated all the fabrics and we have cut those little pieces, those squares, ready for you to be able to sew and be able to create the Square in a Square technique for the Blooming Bouquet quilt. It has a coordinating border and sashing fabrics, as well as the binding and the set-in triangles. So all the fabrics are cut, ready for you to be able to sew. We would like for you to check out our website at sofabulousquilts.com and choose either the kit or the pattern to be able to create your So Fabulous Square in a Square Blooming Bouquet quilt. Thank you and happy quilting.